Good morning, everyone. 다가오조산 좋은 아침입니다. Welcome to another episode of Chaewon Joylicious Trails. As you can see, I am now located inside the airport. It's been a while since I've done a travel vlog, and today I'll be flying to Korea with my honey bunny. Here, where is she? There she is. It's her first time traveling to Korea. It's my third time traveling to Korea, so it'll be my first time doing a tour guide with her in Korea. Are you excited, Hanny?
Yes, I'm so excited. Because why? Because
Why?
I love Korean food. I love Korean skincare products. So these are the things for me to enjoy. Bibimbap, Korean fried chicken, tteokbokki, and my first time trying hanbok.
Oh,
And
yes.
also going to do a lot of shopping there.
Yeah, we're so looking forward to that. And of course, I brought with me my cookie because I'm also going to Busan in a few days as well. So I brought this with me, and so we're all checked in and we are ready to walk around for a little while. And because we have another hour before we actually board onto the plane, so we can just walk around. And then once I board onto the plane, I will show you around. See you then. I'm now here at the check-in area, and we are waiting for our check-in time within the next 15 minutes or so. And I still actually can't believe that I'm going back to Korea again after 2 years. So yeah, I am ready to get on the plane and get some nap as well because I'm really sleepy right now. I didn't have much sleep last night, and I woke up at 3:50 this morning, so I'm very tired. So yeah, I can't wait to get on the plane, take a nap, and then I'll show you around once I get on the plane. We finally boarded onto the plane, and it's quite busy here, and there's a lot of people as well. I'm very excited, and I still actually can't believe that we're actually flying out of Sydney. And Honey Bunny, are you ready to fly out of Sydney yet? Ready? Cool. Okay, we're gonna sit around and then hopefully wait for our first meal because I'm hungry and starving and I'm sleepy. So I want to get a nap after our first meal, and then yeah, once we arrive, I will show you around. Before we start boarding, I'm just going to show you what I've got right here in front of me before we actually fly. So here's my hand cream that I have to moisturize my hands, of course my passport, the most important, and these were provided slippers given from Korean Air and some blanket as well. And of course I have to bring my little cookie because we're going to Korea, and we've got my little skincare pouch here with my toothbrush and all that stuff. All my essentials are in here, and there's also a pillow that we have right here as well, so we're going to need that. And yeah, looking forward to take off and see you again soon. We are now flying up in the air, and for some reason I feel right away I'm not sleeping, so I'm trying to find myself something to entertain myself through the screen. And as you can see, there's quite a few movies, new and old ones that I haven't seen before. There's some Korean ones, there's like cartoons, some American movies as well. Yes, I'm scrolling through, and also while I was scrolling, I can see here. Can I see this? Oh my god, let's see. Let's see if I can find out this girl's generation. Where are we? So I'm just scrolling through the music outlets, and I can see some of my favorite K-pop bands, including Big Bang, there's IU as well, there's various love song duets. There is also Taeyong, BTS, EXO. Also, there's many varieties of K-pop listed on here. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to one of them, and hopefully that will make me fall asleep. So I just got from a 2 hour nap and I just went to the toilet just to refresh myself a little bit. And my face is feeling quite dry and my the air pressure is over here. So I put my skincare packs. I'll show you my skincare routine while I'm on the flight. That's a bit of a see. So in my skincare pouch I have my soapy milk pad. So this one I'm going to use right now to cleanse off my face. The next I have in here is my eye serum. So this one's from Medicube and it's a glutathione glow serum. So it's good for dry skin and anti-aging as well. Then next we have is my favorite Dr. G's clear soothing cream. Make sure that we don't use a lot of fluid on our face. Like this, all the cream and everything can be used nicely. So lastly I'm going to use is the Biodense collagen deep mask. So this will not be all the nutrition in my skin and helps with minimizing and moisturizing as well. Just pull it out of the sheets. To make sure that's all nicely tucked in before we put the bottom layer on. That's it. That's all it is for my skincare routine. So this is nice and family on. That's all that I need to do for my skincare routine. I'm going to keep this mask on to put nicely clear for the next 24 hours. I'll put it on and then take it off. And hopefully I'll get that nice glowy skin and moisturized face. So this will now be roughly $3 and $5 since the last one.
You're in my hand. I had plans for the weekend, but wound up with you instead. Back here again, got me deep in my feelings, where I should be in your bed. You and I go back to like all night, it's like forever. And you let my loneliness, yeah, keeping me together. So wouldn't it make sense if I was yours and you could call me your baby? But we say we're just friends, just for now. Yeah, but friends don't say words that make friends feel like more than just friends, just for now. Now I'm over pretending, so let's put the end in friends. Friends are not supposed to get too close to feel emotions that we're feeling now, now, now. We're slowing down, down, down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So for tomorrow, we do have a big plan ahead of us, and the first thing we are going to do is the personal color analysis, which is in Myeongdong. We did book it for 10 a.m. in the morning, so we do have to leave our Airbnb around before 9:30 and get up probably around 8. But yeah, we do have a big itinerary to fit in throughout our whole Korea trip, as you can see. And so after the color analysis, we are going to have lunch at Sada Kimbap. So we're going to have some kimbap for lunch, and then we'll visit Olive-young, the main branch in Myeongdong, because that's the new one of the newest Olive-young here in Korea, and it has multiple levels as well. And we do want to redeem the free pouch that everyone's been getting in Olive-young that we've seen on Instagram. So we want to go in there and do some skincare shopping as well. And then after going to Olive-young, we are planning to go to a bakery cafe, also a very popular one. It's called Nakwon Bakery Cafe. And then we'll be going to a hanbok store called Tetrot Salon. So they sell traditional and modern hanboks. I want to go in there and have a look around and see if I can find myself an outfit to wear for the BTS concert next year. And then after going there, we do plan to possibly go to Starfield Library, because we couldn't go today as we came back to the Airbnb too late. So we are going to plan to go to Starfield Library tomorrow, and then I might see if I can visit one of the K-pop stores to see if I can find myself the new version of the BTS Lightstick, the version number 4. So I wanted to get one for the concert. So we're going to go there, and then after that we are going to have dinner at Wumok. So Wumok is a Korean omakase restaurant that specializes in grilling premium Korean beef. It is going to be a set menu, so we are looking forward to try some Korean beef there tomorrow. And then after dinner we are going to go for a walk at the Hangang Park in Jamwon. So we're gonna go for a walk and then come back to Airbnb and end our day. And if you enjoyed this video for today, I thank you for watching it. And if you do like it, please subscribe and like and comment this video, and let me know if there's anything that I should improve on. And yeah, we'll look forward to tomorrow's big day, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Good night. Bye.